Bangalore, right? And why I'm doing this review is I got to understand from the college that they are having a good international placement between 27 2 lakhs to 45 lakhs, and a good amount of domestic placements from 6 lakhs to 10 lakhs, right? And with average salary of 5 to 6 lakhs, right? So 6. And what they claim is to be the fifth best B school of South India based on that Silicon India's ranking, and they also among top 20 B schools based on higher education. So let's do this review. This college is near to Bangalore, so it's an area called Devanhalli, and the college is also called RCMB, which is Regional College of Management, Bangalore. And just to get you the address, it's located in Devanhalli region of the Bangalore after the airport. So this is where the college address is there. So in case you'll want to get any information, so I'm also giving you quick connected details about the college, so that if you have any other further questions about admission or something, you can contact them. So let's start the review. So this college is it's a very good, beautiful campus, so green lush campus, and I will focus on few minutes only on the infrastructure facilities, right? So this is the main college facility, and it's a decent all infrastructure with the seminar hall, auditorium, and other things which students are looking for, right? So there is no less amount of that space, and it's all green lush campus in the very good area. And college do have a very good college life for the students with respect to different academic plus non-academic I'm covering first, and the academic I'll cover now. So admission is for different programs, like you see MBA, PGDBM, BBA, and MBA plus IBC, which is International Baccalaureate of Business. So MBA in International plus PGDM International. So many options are there, and they do have take admission also through this many more. So you see eligibility for the program, it's like saying 50%, but they do also have their own exam called RMAT. And then they take accept the score of CAT, MAT, SAT, ATMA, CMAT, and the state level interest like PGCET. So and I'm doing this for the PGCET students who are interested with this. So since they have international program, they do have international faculties at the campus, and this is some of the view. They do have a very good incubation center and industry engagement for different students development, right? So skill development. And apart from that, they do have hostels facilities for both boys and girls into the campus. So this is just a sneak peek of the infrastructure what they have at their facility. So I'll go directly now to the placement part, which is the important thing which they're claiming is that more than 100 plus campus drives are happening every year, which is covering across sector and across programs, right? So, and in fact they have a very strong placement board created, which has the people from from the companies like Aditya Birla or Unisys, or from the international places like Scotland, Paris based universities. And this is what what they have said. 12 students of these companies, this college, have got the international placement in Germany by the company called Odingo, and then the package was between 27 lakhs to 45 lakhs. So that's a 12 students which got a salary, and most of the students who get the domestic salary are between in the range of 6 to 10 lakhs, and the average salary they claim is 7.5 lakhs, right? So this is what they claim is, and they do have shown the statistics of some of the students I will follow, but this is the sector wise breakup of those companies. E-commerce 12%, banking finance 10%, real estate 10%, media 10%. So almost all the companies are close to 5 to 10, 12 to 12%, and it's a mix of companies which visit 100 plus, as they said. These are some of the students who got in those companies placed, right? So Flipkart, PwC, KPMG, ICICI Bank, at least 4 companies you see on this. And then there are multiple other companies, all the good notch companies. So you have, for example, Accenture, few of the JP Morgan, Sapient, IBM, all the multinational companies which have a global operations. And you also see Indian companies like ICICI Bank, 30 students, which is there are all the Tally solutions, right? Some of them like International, right? ThoughtWorks, all those are mid-sized to large size IT companies. Then you also see electronics companies there, like
then
National
more,
Instruments, like
are there, right? So if you
Texas
see on this
Instruments,
is a
Endurance,
JLL
and all,
placement,
right?
right?
And
You see
finally, you
ABC
also see
placement,
some of the
right? You see
companies into the
Genpact
security
placement, right?
space, like
You say
McAfee
Phone
or the
Pay
healthcare,
placement,
which is a
right?
CERN. So all
And
good
then
companies are
some
there.
more, right? You can
Now I'll
see
start with the
Property
placement for the
Pistol,
previous
ICICI Bank,
3 years, so 18, 19, 19, 20,
Huawei,
20,
right?
21.
Huawei. So
So if you see
these
the
are
previous
basically,
2 years,
they have
the
put a
number
lot
of students
documents
were
behind that, but I'm
129
just
and the
covering
number
the
of
top
offers
headings here.
were
25 students got
111.
placed in
Number
HDFC
of
Bank
offers
is
were
what they said.
143. So you
Byju's,
get more number of offers than the
placement,
number
right?
of students
You
itself.
can also see on
Similarly,
this
for the next
page,
year
right?
also
So
128
and
students,
this
but
is also
147
another,
offers. So number of students offers are
uh,
more than the
another
student,
thing about
but the number of students get
other
placed is
companies
around
like Reliance.
120.
You see on the
So that is,
placement drive.
and this is the same
You see
comparison for
PinClick
these 2 years. The
also on the
highest package for
placement
those
drive.
2 years
So
were
the multiple of
12
them
lakhs,
I've just
and
put
that
it,
increased to
just to give
28
an
lakhs.
idea
That's what I
that
was saying, 28 lakhs
multiple
highest salary
companies
here.
is what they claim.
In the
And
medium
because of
salary
this,
is
they have a
was
Flipkart
6
also,
point,
you can see on
average
this
salary was
page, right?
6.5 lakhs,
And they are having,
but medium
now they
salary
have also
was
put the students who
8.7
got
lakhs. So you
international
can see
placements
that's a
in Germany. So
good
you
9 lakhs,
eight
close to 9
students
lakhs
at
median
least you see
salary
who got
you're
the
getting.
package
And
between
this is the
27 lakhs to 45
1920
lakhs, and
batch.
this is
Overall,
all on their
147
website.
offers,
You
24
can go
lakhs
and
highest salary,
drill down further.
6.5 lakh average package.
Similarly, the
Lowest
domestic
package was
students,
even
a lot of
4.25 lakhs.
companies which I
And there
mentioned
were
there,
5
like HDFC,
international package
ICICI, and all
also
those students
in this batch.
which
So you
got
can
placed there. So
see
they
that
have also
it
put a
provides
good
you
amount of
not
information
only the number of
with
good
the
number of offers
students' name
with the very
who
high
got
salary,
placed into
but
those
also the number of
companies. So you
offers,
see
right? So
HDFC,
now this
ICICI
is
Bank
also
on
minimum
this
package
sheet, and
also in
further
this
you
campus
go,
you get
you see
around 4
much more
lakhs,
names. I'm
and
not
this is
taking
for the ongoing
all of
batch.
them. You
So
can
this is
Reliance
not yet
Capital, you
updated,
see
but
here,
it's showing 94, but
Aditya
finally it
Birla,
was
you see
more than
KPMG, you
120,
see your Reliance
110
Capital,
120 students, right?
and many more,
That is
right,
how
which
the
are partners.
great
So
amount
this
of
they
placement
have given
happens
the name to
every
the
year.
people
So
with
this
the
was the
photos and not.
just a
So
3 years
if you
comparison I have
you
showed
want to see
based
it,
on the data
go to this and check
I
it.
have got
PinClick,
from their
they mentioned
websites,
a lot
and
of students are getting into
so this is
ICICI,
definitely a
HDFC,
go,
PinClick,
but
and
your rank should
those
be
are people, and
within
few may
100,
be on the
70,
KPMG
75
on
or
the
100,
advisory
right?
side,
Because out of
or the
126
others,
only
and
60 are
then
through KCT,
another 8 to
sorry,
12,
PGCET,
10
and
to
another 60
12
are
people
for
they
KMAT,
claim it
right?
as
So
placed in Germany, right?
50-50. So
So
thanks
this
for
is the
watching, and
same
please
set
do
of
like and
Odingo,
subscribe this
Square
video and
Yards,
this channel.
Flipkart,
Thank you for
a similar set of Whitehead Junior, right, Baiju, and the similar set of students got, most of the students got placed is shown here, right? So I thought I will cover, and then you if you want to check, go on their website and check it. So this is about the fees of the program, which is through CMAT, other modes of, you have 8 lakhs fees is for the total program for 2 years. The PG set fees will be much lesser, which will be around 2 to 2.5 lakhs per year. So around within a 5 lakhs you will be able to do through PG seat. This 8 lakhs fees is for the other modes, which I mentioned there. It's called MBA, and this is the last one, is MBA PGDM with IBC. That means international business. Then this is not 8 lakhs. This is 15 lakhs. So this is much costlier option. But I think these are the students who may be participating in that international placement. So depending upon what type of your MBA requirements are, you can choose upon that. So I got this college details about somewhere in the portal, and that's why I thought I will give you data, but request you to get in touch with any other students who have studied there and get your feedback with them. And when deciding the cutoff for PGCET for this college is around 20,000, so it's available at a very low ranks, and it can be taken. So thanks for watching, and please do like and subscribe for seeing such more videos. Take care.